To apply for the Hustler Fund, you need to meet the following conditions as per the Hustler Fund terms. The requirements are: 1. Needs to be a Kenyan citizen. Needs to have a national ID. Have a registered mobile number. The registered SIM card must have been used for more than 90 days. To register for Hustler Fund, start by dialing Hustler Fund USSD code *254#. Choose Register by dialing option 1. Accept the terms and conditions by dialing option 1 to continue. Then enter your mobile money PIN. You will then receive an SMS confirming successful registration and your assigned Hustler loan limit. Otherwise, if the registration was unsuccessful, you'll also be notified. After successful registration, you can proceed to apply for Hustler Fund loan. To begin, dial *254#. Select Request Loan, option 2. Now you will be able to see your current loan limit. Enter the loan amount you wish to request and press Send to continue. Confirm the relevant loan information and note the loan due date. If OK, continue to the next step. Finally, you will receive an SMS with your loan allocation and the relevant loan information. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.